I thought this was going to be a pretty straightforward experience. Charge a customer to fix a Samsung TV black screen and get paid. Little did I know that the repair I was about to attempt would be a bumpy ride that would force me to call the customer a second time for price increase. While no customer ever likes to hear that, see if at the end of the video the price adjustment was justified. And did I make a mistake charging the customer without first finishing the repair process? Now here's how the repair turned out. After slicing open the tummy of the 40-inch TV and moving my simple tools to and fro, I discovered that the filter capacitor on the screen's positive power supply rail had shorted. Usually, that sort of discovery often puts a repairman in a relaxed frame of mind that this basically would be an easy repair. So we got in touch with the customer, a middleman, and told him what the repair would cost him. After an agreement was reached, I went ahead and replaced the ceramic capacitor and fuse which had also blown due to the short. As I turned on the TV, I was pleased to see a picture. Yeah! But then I noticed something. A horizontal line flashed as the entire screen came on. No. But I had already charged for the black screen fault. I know how much people hate to hear excuses for price adjustments. So, would I carry on to fix this line for the same price? To help you understand why I couldn't do that, let me show you all that it took to fix the line. Firstly, I needed to find its root cause so as to determine if it would be repairable using any means I had. Upon finding that it was due to a moisture damaged side cuff, I knew I'd have to replace the faulty cuff using my bonding machine. That alone would be too much work for the same price. So I decided to let the customer know the state of things, thinking that all I'd need to do was simply to do a rebond and be done with it. Well, thankfully, they admitted that the TV had a horizontal line before the black screen occurred, but he wasn't too happy to be told that the price had to change. After another agreement was reached, I got right into replacing the cuff. This involves removing the bad cuff, preparing a good one from a donor screen, and cleaning the panel for bonding. This, I thought, it shouldn't take too much time. After the bonding process was completed, I powered the TV to see if it was a successful repair. It had picture, cool. But wait, there's a flicker. This is not good, I told myself. Interlock screens can be a hassle to fix. At this point, I considered doing the process again. After taking a break from the TV, I came back to it the next morning to see if I could figure out what was wrong and to try to fix it by flying wires. A few moments later, I found the cause. A timing control signal was lost at the first cuff after the bonding process. Upon restoring it, finally, TV works perfectly. So guys, what do you think? Should I have finished repairing the TV before charging the customer? Or was the price increase justified? Leave your thoughts about what you'd do if you were in my position in the comments, please. And thank you so much for watching.